Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. Today we will be talking about our improvement proposal for Quiroga SA, a company located in Chipata, Santander, Colombia. This company belongs to the agro-industrial sector and has more than 40 years of experience and producing and selling panela, a traditional sweet product made from sugarcane. Now, even though Quiroga SA has a long and valuable tradition, the company is currently facing several challenges that affect its productivity and competitiveness. For example, most of its production processes are still manual, and there's a lack of technology in areas like transportation and packaging. Also, the company doesn't have efficient inventory management systems, and its storage infrastructure is very limited. Another important issue is that sustainable practices have not yet been fully adopted, which increases costs and waste resources. All of these problems together make the company less efficient and less competitive in the panela market. So our main goal was to identify these weaknesses clearly and then propose strategies to make the company more efficient, more sustainable, and better prepared for the future.
Diagnostic tools and analysis CIMILS 2.0. To begin our analysis, we applied a diagnostic tool called CIMILS 2.0, which stands for the Substantial Logistics Indicators Measuring System. This tool allowed us to evaluate the company logistics performance in a very detailed way. We analyzed 8 areas. The general company structure, procurement and supply storage, inventory, transportation, service, cost, and information technology. Through this evaluation, we found well organized, like inventory, management, and custom service. However, other areas still need important improvement, special transportation, cost, control, and the use of digital technologies. For example, in, in transportation, the routes are not fully optimized and there's no real-time traffic system. In cost, the company doesn't yet use its financial indicators to monitor logistics expenses and in technology, which is on the weakest points. There is no digital system to manage logistic operations, and only one person handles the company data manuality. Using the CIMILS 2.0 tool, we were able to measure key performance indicators such as delivery time, accuracy, inventory rotation, and customer satisfaction. The analysis helped of understand where improvements were most needed and provide the foundations for our proposal.
Improvement proposals. Now that we had a clear diagnosis with development, a series of improvement proposals focused on three main goals: optimization, sustainability, and modernization. First, we propose improving logistic efficiency by implementing better exclusion and control system and by applying the PHPA cycle plan to check and act. The company can monitor it, process, and ensure continuous improvement. Simple digital tools can also be introduced to track inventories and deliveries, making communication between departments faster and more reliable. Second, we focus on sustainability. Quiroga S.8 produces large amounts of sungeance passages, which is usually discarded or burned inefficiently. We propose using the passages as a renewable energy source to power parts of the production process. This will reduce fuel costs, lower emissions, and make the operation more environmentally friendly. Third, we emphasize human talent. Since many processes are still manual, workers play a key role in the company's success. We recommend creating training programs on industrial safety, logistic organization, and new technologies. They will increase in productivity reduce accidents, and help employees adapt to modern systems. Finally, we suggest improving cost control and infrastructure. By producing cost indicators, the company can identify inefficiencies, and by improving its storage and packing areas, it can reduce damage and waste. Even small technological updates like using barcodes or mobile apps for order tracking can make a big difference.
After implementing these proposals, Quiroga can expect several positive results. First, production will become faster and more organized, with fewer delays and less waste. Second, operational costs will decrease thanks to better planning and energy use. Third, product quality and presentation will improve, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. In addition, the company will reduce its environmental impact by using renewable energy and adopting cleaner production methods. Employees will also benefit from safer working conditions and more training opportunities. And finally, the company will become more competitive in both national and international markets.
Reflection and conclusions. In conclusion, the use of CIMILS 2.0 diagnostical tool gave us clear understanding of the company situation and helped identify weakness, measure performance, and guide our improvement plan. The proposals we present to date are realistic and can be implemented gradually according in the company's technicals and finally financial capacity. Together, this action will help Quiroga's S.A modernize its logics, processes, and move towards a sustainable, efficient, and innovative future.
To sum up, our project shows that even traditional industries can grow and modernize with the right tools and strategies. By combining enduring principles with environmental awareness and social responsibility, Quiroga 8.8 can continue to honor its traditional while preparing for new challenges in the panel market. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.